and make something.
So now I don't need them to be that long. I'm just going to screw it together. That's very simple. I've actually got very few measurements on this. Kind of square that up. That is going to be an issue. The pallet would so weak. I could probably just break that. Yeah. Okay. Plan B. A small pinch bar's gone for a wander and I have no idea where it's gone. So, I'll persevere. Angle. There. Now I am thinking that my spatial awareness will probably throw me. I am thinking of putting some brackets there just to reinforce this, which I think I'll do. Now my picture that I was given, I've thrown that out the window. This is now I'm making it up as I go along. So please don't ask for any plans, because technically there are none. And if I get one right, then I can just copy it to the other. It doesn't need to be a big, we're just making that triangle shape. If I cut, that, just draw that line there. In theory, should fit. Theory's not always right though. It looks pretty good to me. So now, all I have to do is copy those angles. That. That. Re-drill that. Listen here. I should have actually measured this a little bit better. Just go as high as I like. Or I get a smaller bottle, which I think I do have. I'll be back. I've changed bottles. It's actually a lot shorter bottle than the other one, and fatter. Which now kind of makes the bottom holder a little bit redundant. But however, I'm going to leave it in there. The reason I changed bottles is because I forgot to account spatial awareness. I forgot to account for when you take the bottle out. To add in a little bit extra, well, I did add in, but not enough obviously, add in enough height to take the bottle out. Go halfway. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Catch you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.